Welcome back to my channel. This is Channnel here. I'm coming to you today to discuss something that I've done and I was asked to do. Someone asked me, how did I lose weight? And I'm going to share that with you. It did not involve any medication. It did not involve any diets. And it did not involve any surgery. But let me go into the story of how it happened. Before I do that, please hit like, comment, and subscribe. I really would appreciate it. And also if you share it, someone else may need to hear this. It started 2 years ago, and I had to go for my yearly physical. And I went to the doctor, and I stepped on the scale, and the scale had me at 204. Now, I know that may not be a big thing to some of the people out there, but for someone who's used to being at the size of 160 to 180, it was a big thing. You know, I gained this extra 10, 20 pounds, and it explained a lot. I was often out of breath. I couldn't stand for long. I couldn't do a lot of things, but they quoted me at 204. 204. Unbelievable. So what I did is I didn't take any of his information into stride, so I continued to eat how I eat, which is a bag of Lay's potato chips. I'm not talking about the little tiny snack bag. I'm talking about the family size bag. I used to eat on that every day or every other day because it usually would last me for 2 days, and it was just appetizing. It was just so it was in my salt intake. You know, we love salty things. So I was eating on Jay's potato chips, Lay's, Jay's, both of them when I get a chance or if they're on sale. And I did not pay any attention at the constant weight gain. I mean, all in my face, in my arms, in my waist. Until one day I ended up, and I had water on the knees. That never occurred before. I didn't think anything of it. But that's neither here nor there. So that's that. The following year, last year, I go for my physical again, and this time they put me on blood pressure medicine. Now listen to me. I have not been on any medication. I haven't been in any hospital. I haven't did any surgery, any of that for maybe 30 some years. You know, and so here they are telling me I need to take this medication. And I was adamant. I didn't want to take any medication. That's not me. It's just programming my body to accept this stuff in my system. So I took it just so I could lower my pressure down, which it did. But I also found out that eating some beets does it. And maybe the reason that my pressure was up also was because I had a cup of coffee. Okay. So once that happened, I realized that I really do have to lose some weight. These are my pants. I don't wear jeans because jeans at the time was very uncomfortable and too tight. So I resorted to jeggings. Those are leggings with pockets. So 2 years ago, this is the size I was wearing. Look at it. That says 16, 18, right? Extra large. All right. 2 years ago, last year, dropped down to this size. 12, 14. That's a large. Okay? So my current weight right now is satisfying to me. I mean, I like it because now not only do I fit into a smaller size, but those dresses I had back in the days, I could fit those too. And I look good in it. Okay, so now my current size is, drum roll, Luke, current size is 8 to 10. 8 to 10 is not bad, okay? And I'm gonna tell you how I did it. And it involved 3 things that you could do that doesn't involve medication, surgery, or diet. One thing that I did is I started after I cut my potato chip. My potato chip. How do you call it? Addiction. My potato chip addiction. I resorted to bottled water every day. Bottled water. I don't like the water just plain. So I had to spruce it up. A bottle of water and something you may have around the house every day. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You can squeeze fresh lemon in if you want, but 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I drink this every day. From when they told me about my blood pressure, I resorted to that, and I'll drink it faithfully every day. 1 bottle, sometimes 2. 1 in the morning, and then when I get home, 1 in the evening. This is all you need. Bottled water and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay? Those are the 2 things that I did. The third one is I watch my steps. By that I mean, instead of parking my car closer to the building, which was easier to get to, I parked it all the way back. It was like I was walking maybe a block away from my job. That's how far back the parking lot is. So I parked all the way in the back and walked to the front. In the rain, in the heat, in the snow, I walked. Doing that, I noticed the steps that I was taking every day was 4,000 or more. 4,000 or more steps a day. Now, I'm not going to say it's going to work for everyone, but it don't hurt to try. Okay? So, bottled water, lemon juice, and watch your steps. Do that. Now, I still love my potato chips, but I just don't eat it as much as I used to. I eat my Popeye's fried chicken. I eat my hamburgers. I eat my ribs. I eat French fries. I eat all of these things. But maintaining everything with just water and lemon juice and watching my steps really helps. I think it improved my skin too. But anyway, please hit like, comment, and subscribe. Also share. Someone else may need to hear this, or it may help someone. Now, thank you for watching. Have a great day and a wonderful new year.